Hey friends, I'm George and I've been cooking professionally for 37 years and this is 2-Ingredient Tuesday. How many times have you gone to the market and purchased these little tiny vials of spices when online or in a club warehouse you get almost 10 times as much for the same price? What do you do with that much spice? Even if they're dried, they're still gonna go bad eventually. So here's an interesting way to keep those spices alive and healthy for years. Preserve them with some grain alcohol. Just be super careful when handling this stuff because it's extremely flammable. I picked up these little jars on Amazon. Make sure yours are glass. Fill them up pretty high, half to 3/4 full with any spice you choose, and then add the alcohol. It's as simple as that. You want to let them sit for at least 5 days before you use them. They're going to be very, very concentrated, so use an eyedropper when adding them to your food. If you're concerned about the alcohol content, don't worry. It's like vanilla extract. When you're adding it to cooked food, it's going to burn off. Also, it has such a concentrated flavor that you will only be adding like a few drops at a time. But will it taste the same as if you were adding dry spices to the food? It's going to taste a little different. The alcohol draws the oils out of the herbs you use, so the flavor does change. But that's okay, because it's going to be fun experimenting, and you won't have to throw out any expensive spices. Thank you so much for joining me today. Let me know how your spices turn out by leaving a comment down below. Cheers.